Select Install Gaia on this system to start Gaia operating system installation. Now the system will load and install required drivers and validate hardware configuration. Gaia will complete its installation in 6 steps. We will start the installation process now. Click OK to continue. Select the preferred keyboard type and click OK. US will be set by default. Review Endpoint Sizing Guide and make sure it matches your environment. Set the preferred configuration according to your machine capabilities and preserve enough space for logs and root partitions. Configure a password for default administrator account and click OK. Configure the server IP address, net mask, and default gateway and click OK. Click OK to confirm. The machine will now implement the configuration you made. Click Reboot at the end of the process for installation to complete. Follow the first time wizard video as the next step.